Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sync videos from CapCut Mobile to CapCut PC. Alright guys, first of all, open your CapCut application on your phone, and to sync videos from CapCut Mobile to CapCut PC, you have to log into CapCut with your Google account or your social media account. Then after you have logged in, you have to back up your project to the CapCut space. So you can tap on the space option right here. Then you're going to select the video that you want to sync from CapCut Mobile to CapCut PC, and you can click on this plus button, then click on upload draft. Then wait guys, okay, then you can select the draft that you want to upload, and for example I'm going to add this draft. So we can tap on this draft, then we can click on upload and click on upload. Okay, and you have to wait until the process has completed. Okay, and now the draft is being backed up, and after the draft has been backed up, you can open your CapCut PC. Then you have to log in with the same account. Then after that, you will be able to open this project on your CapCut PC. Alright guys, and that's how we can sync videos from CapCut Mobile to CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.